Of late, Thika Town CBD has been experiencing too much flooding at various spots, with the worst case scenarios witnessed opposite the Thika Post office and outside Magunas Supermarket on Uhuru Street. Other areas include at the stadium, roundabout, and outside Mang'u House, just to mention but a few. During the rains, the drainage systems within Thika CBD become overwhelmed by the storm water, leading to flooding. A spot check by 3TTV revealed that most drainage canals do not have the necessary capacity to drain away the amounts of rain that are falling. In some cases, the flash floods enter the sewage system, leading to a spillover of raw sewer, which is deposited elsewhere in the town or drained into Chania River. One of the main reasons that have led to this flooding is improper waste management, with so many of the trenches clogging in silt as a result of years of neglect by the department concerned. A tour around the town showed drainages blocked by debris that have stayed there for years. The systems do not work to the designed capacities because of very poor maintenance. In areas where unblocking has been done, the silt and debris was deposited on the sides and was always spilling back into the drains within a short time. Recently, the road contractors who recarpeted the CBD roads did very little to widen the drains or even unclog them. The situation has worsened as a result of too much soil deposits on the edges of the roads that have resulted to vegetation growth. There are also cases of vegetation growing inside the trenches and as a result blocking the waterway and causing the flooding. Illegal structures within the CBD have also played a significant role in blocking drainage paths. Improper disposal of solid waste, including domestic and commercial waste, as well as dumping of debris into the drains, has also contributed significantly to reducing the capacities of the drainage systems. Water is one of the most destructive elements of asphalt. When it penetrates the asphalt's base, it slowly damages large areas of the road, causing extensive and expensive damages. It is good to note that underlying water puddles eventually eat away the road silt coating, allowing the water to then percolate into the pavement itself. If left unchecked, this deterioration can lead to large cracks in the road, which could require costly repairs or even a complete replacement. It is therefore the high time the county government of Kiambu takes responsibility to clean and maintain all drainages within the town CBD and ensure flash floods flow freely into the drains.